How to enable location tags in camera on Samsung phone. So if you want to see your precise location on the photos and tap to open the map, I'm going to show you how you can turn on location tags. Let's get started. Firstly, what you're going to do is open camera from your home screen or app drawer. Don't open camera from your lock screen because there you won't be able to change this setting. So tap on the camera and now tap 4 dots icon to expand options. From here, we need to choose the gear icon for settings. Now what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down until the location tags and just tap on the switch to turn that on. After that, you need to allow some permissions. So here, choose precise location by tapping on the precise and while using the app. And now I'm going to show you the difference when the feature is turned off and turned on. So I'm going to go ahead and open my gallery, tap here, and then swipe the photo up. So we can see no location, right? We don't see the map, we don't see precise location. And now I'm going to take a photo just right now. Tap on gallery again to open and swipe up. And now I can see the location for this specific photo. So I can see when and where this specific photo was made. And this is how you can turn that on. To turn off, just go back in the camera settings, scroll down, and tap on location tags. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.